In this video, we are going to talk about the three triangle similarity properties. You can see them here: angle, angle, side, 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 and side, angle, side. We're going to get into the details of what that means here shortly, but first we're going to review what it means to have two triangles that are similar to each other. For two triangles to be similar, you need two things to happen. First, you need to make sure that all of the angles are equal to each other. And then second, you need to make sure that all of the sides are proportional. So let's start by looking at the angles. If you look here, we've got these two pink angles that are the same size. So those are our first pair. We've got these teal angles that are the same. So we've got two pairs of angles that are the same. And then finally, the yellow angles are the same. So all three pairs of angles are equal to each other. Next, I'm going to look at the side lengths and try to figure out if they have the same ratio or the same proportion. So if we start with the 10 and the 20, those are a ratio of 2. The 18 and the 9 also have a ratio of 2. And then the 8 and the 4 have a ratio of 2. So these two triangles are similar. All their angles are equal. All their sides are proportional. There's three shortcuts that we can use to check to see whether or not triangles are similar to each other, though. We're going to go over those now. So the first triangle similarity property is called angle, angle. We abbreviate it AA, and it just means that you have two pairs of congruent angles. So you can see if we compare these two triangles, angle G and angle J are congruent to each other. They're both 87 degrees. But one pair of angles isn't enough. We actually need two pairs of angles to say that they really are similar to each other. We're going to need to calculate how big the missing angles are. Now, I know that triangles add up to be 180 degrees, so I was able to calculate the missing angles, and by doing so, I can see that I do have all of the pairs of angles are congruent to each other. So angle H and angle E are congruent, and then angle I and angle F are congruent. For angle, angle, we really just need two pairs of angles that are the same. Once we know we've got two pairs, the third pair is automatically going to be the same, since triangles add up to be 180 degrees. The second shortcut trick is called side, 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 or abbreviated SSS, and it means that all three pairs of sides are proportional to each other. So if we look at this example, we could start by saying 20 over 5 is going to give us a ratio of 4. 16 over 4 is going to give us a ratio of 4, so far they're proportional to each other. And then finally, 8 and 2 also give us 8 over 2 gives us a ratio of 4. So we have all three pairs of sides, side, side, side. All three are proportional, so these triangles are similar. The last one that we're going to look at here is called side, angle, side. So what that means is that you have two pairs of sides that are proportional again, and then the included angle are equal. So the included angle is the angle that connects the two sides you know together. So in this smaller triangle, we know this side FC and we know side CD. They're connected here at angle C. That's the included angle. If we look at the other triangle here, we've got triangle QR and T. So QR we know, RT we know. That included angle here is the one that's marked the same. So let's check our proportions or our ratios. So 12 over 3 gives us 4. We already talked about how those included angles are the same, so C and R are the same. And then finally our last set of sides here, 8 over 2 gives us the same ratio. So this is side, angle, side. We have two pairs of sides that are proportional to each other, and then the angle included is equal. So here's a summary of the three triangle similarity properties. We've got angle, angle, side, 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 and side, angle, side. Have a great day.